In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join All-Star Tower Defense Discord server. We'll keep it simple and make sure every click is clear. Before we begin, have your Discord account ready and sign in on either the desktop app, the mobile app, or discord.com in your browser. Start by going to Discord, open the app or your browser tab and wait for your home screen to load. If you're prompted to log in, do that first so you can access the server list on the left side. Next, click Join a Server. On desktop, look for the plus icon in the left sidebar under your server list and choose Join a Server from the options. On mobile, you'll find a similar Add a Server button, tap it and pick Join a Server. This takes you to a screen with a single text field labeled Enter an invite link or code. In the invite field, type All-Star. That's the invite code used to reach the All-Star Tower Defense community. Most versions of Discord will accept it exactly like that, and many will automatically format it as Discord JGG All-Star for you. Type it carefully with no spaces or extra symbols so Discord can validate it. Then click Join Server. Confirm any pop-up asking you to accept the invite. Discord will switch you into the server and you should land in a welcome or rules channel. Take a moment to read the server rules and if there's a prompt, press the agree button so you can unlock the rest of the channels. Some communities use a quick verification step to keep the server safe. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll get access to chat, announcements and updates about the game. If the invite doesn't work on the first try, check your internet, make sure you entered All-Star correctly and try again. You may also be at the maximum number of servers allowed by your account. Leaving one you don't use will free up space. That's it. Go to Discord, click Join a Server, type All-Star and click Join Server. Enjoy the All-Star Tower Defense community and have fun.